Hello from Product Journey. In this video I'm gonna talk about my experience with a freelancer who helped me to get the reviews for a number of restaurants that I'm gonna use for summarizing for my project restaurants reviews. Before that, I thought about getting them using Google Maps API, and although it's possible, we have limitations considering the numbers of reviews. Then I focused on scraping them from the web app Google Maps, and although this is possible, it needs some development efforts that I would not like to perform in order to make my proof of concept. That's why I'm thinking about using Freelancer to get the reviews for 100 restaurants, and for each restaurant I will get 50 reviews. The calculations show that if one reviews to be copy pasted needs around 10 seconds, for these 100 restaurants this will consume more than 12 hours, even more than 13. So utilizing the freelancers work who charge not so expensive per hour is much better than losing so much time by myself. So let's see the description of the task. I don't have much experience using freelancers, but still I have few tasks during the years. Some of them I'm more satisfied, some others not so much. Still, one very important thing to have good results when using freelancers is to have very good description. So I put in the project details a few paragraphs about generally what I would like to get achieved, and just to mention, for this task I'm using freelancer.com. It has a huge variety of freelancers, and generally one could achieve quite successful job completion. And I decided to put the more detailed description in Google Docs, and here is a link to the Google Docs document where I try to be as clear as possible. I provide a list of 109 restaurants in Sofia, Bulgaria, and I would like 50 reviews to be obtained from there. And for this I provide a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, and then I put very detailed description including screenshots, arrows, exactly where to click, what to do, to sort them always in the same way, and so on and so on, where to copy and paste them in the spreadsheet, how to click in case not everything is visible, and even some tips about copy pasting, like how it will be the fastest way to do it. I've written acceptance criteria, very detailed, what exactly should be done, that they should not be put in the formula cell because this removes the new lines and I want them preserved, and so on and so on. And here we can see the spreadsheet. Of course they are already filled. Before that, this review number 1, 2 and so on, they were empty. So more or less the freelancer should follow exactly what is there in the document the description and few the reviews in the spreadsheet. After I completed the detailed description of the project, I posted it on Freelancer, and I put range for the price of the project, 50-60 USD, as it can be seen here. My idea was that the rough estimate of the time that I think is needed, if we use $5-6 per hour, which we have plenty of freelancers to do it, and this is not some very complicated work, it's just time consuming, that I believe this range should be fine. And I started waiting. Actually, I didn't need to wait much because I got enormous amount of bits, like 154 bits for I think less than 24 hours or around it. And okay, on one side this made me happy because there is interest in the job that I propose, but on the other side, when you have 150 proposals, it's not so easy to choose which is the one that will work for me. So I needed to choose based on some criteria that I create, and few of the things that I use to filter is, on one side, not to get the cheapest, neither to get the most expensive, because yeah, getting the cheapest means that probably the freelancer tries to always get the job based on the price that they allow, and other things were connected with the time they propose. Like, I excluded everyone that proposes one day, and I wasn't very excited of the people who propose 2 days. Also 6 or 7 days or around it didn't look reasonable for me, and these are the reasons. For one day, I don't think they really value the job, they just want to get it, and after that maybe be late or whatever. And the guys that propose so many days seem to be too occupied with other stuff, or maybe they're just slow or lazy or whatever. That's why I aimed on average values in these proposals. And of course I wanted freelancer that has a lot of reviews and high ratings. And when I put all these criteria, it turned out that there are not so many. Maybe I have forgotten, it was a bit a while, but maybe less than 5-10 persons. They had some chat, I had some additional filtering based on the profiles of the freelancers, and at the end I choose one freelancer, and we started the job. So after choosing the freelancer from all the proposers based on the filters that I decided to use in order to find the one that I like, we started the job. We had a few messages in order to clarify, but not too much. And then she started, and I asked to see the result after a few restaurants to see if it's going according to the way that I would like. And it was fine. She had just some tiny question that actually was something very small to clarify, and I like the results. She was doing it very fast, and in less than 2 days I got all the reviews there. Everything looked fine. It was according to the criteria that I have put, and generally I was very happy, and we wrote good reviews to each other. I put some tip on top of the price that the freelancer wanted for completion of the project, and I was definitely very happy of it. And more important, this was some good example how important it is to write down detailed description of the job, put every possible details that I have in mind, and be as clear as possible. So generally, using the freelancer helped me to manually get very quickly and at a very reasonable price the reviews that I would like to utilize for my POC. Next steps that will follow now are how to use the reviews to get the summarization and to pack all this in a small POC project. Thanks for watching.